Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the case and removing the stem so the movement can be lifted freely. Use a case opener that matches the back. Pry gently if it's snap fit. Once you've exposed the movement, locate the tiny stem release screw or button. Press or loosen while pulling the crown straight out. Make sure to rest parts on a soft mat and keep screws separate. This prevents bending the stem or scratching the dial and makes the next steps safe and controlled. Once the stem is out, you remove the hands and the dial to access the movement. First, protect the dial with a thin strip of tape over the center post, then pry the hands straight up using hand levers or pegwood. After hands are off, unscrew or unclip the dial feet screws while supporting the movement. The dial lifts free without force. Do this slowly because the dial feet and calendar parts are fragile. Once freed, you can lift the movement from the case for replacement. Now you place the replacement quartz movement into the case, aligning the dial feet and securing them with screws or clips so the dial sits flush. Once stable, press the hands back onto their posts in sequence, hour, minute, then seconds, checking alignment and clearance. Reinsert the stem until it clicks and install a fresh battery. Test winding and time set. Make sure the seconds hand doesn't touch the dial or crystal. Troubleshooting tip. If hands stick, remove and slightly lift or recenter them.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.